In this episode, we're going to be focusing on our bimetallic technology, Victor. What does it mean, and what are the biggest benefits to the customer?
Well, bimetallic technology started off with a case study on a particular vehicle system where we noticed the ball joints were failing out prematurely due to excessive heat transfer from the brake rotor. What was actually happening was the heat was melting out or distorting the plastic bearing, creating play in the ball joint.
Now, we knew our sintered bearings would solve that problem since they're impervious to heat and would not be affected by those conditions. However, there were other challenges, one being space, and the second being materials, because we couldn't just press the ball joint into the aluminum arm in the traditional way due to the lack of material surrounding that ball joint.
And we couldn't just use a sintered metal bearing the way they use a plastic bearing because it's much harder than the aluminum and would literally wear its way through. To solve these challenges, our engineers came up with a patented solution of threading the ball joint into the aluminum arm. This allows us to use a sintered greaseable design in an area where that typically wouldn't be possible.
And we didn't stop there. We're addressing other original equipment design flaws where we've redesigned the control arm body itself by adding in material and reinforcing certain areas to reduce flexing. Even in the bushings, we've filled the voids to bring in more stiffness and rigidity. And while we're here, I'd like to show you how our patent number is proudly stamped on any control arm that includes our patented bimetallic technology.
What started off with a design that was originally intended to address one vehicle issue has since then expanded to many other vehicle manufacturers that use a similar design, opening the door for us to use our bimetallic technology to address these high heat transfer concerns.
That's right, Victor. Our patented bimetallic technology allows us to use a sintered metal serviceable ball joint in an aluminum control arm, where space is at a premium and high heat is always a cause for concern.